welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about few summer skin whitening tips. So if you are interested, then please do keep on watching. So guys, summer is almost here and we are all afraid of tanning. Summer is not just about tan, it is also about loss of sweat, dehydration and premature aging. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 things which can save your skin this summer. Tip number 1. Use a sunscreen. Sunscreen saves our skin from various harmful effects of UVA and UVB rays. These UVA and UVB rays can trigger excessive melanin secretion in our skin, which in turn deepens the skin complexion. So, the best that you can do to save your skin this summer is to use sunscreen on a daily basis. Sunscreens not only prevents the skin from getting tanned, but also prevents premature aging, lowers the chances of skin cancer, prevents sunburns, uneven skin tone and enhance the health of the skin. Now, let me tell you 2 most important things that you need to remember while purchasing your sunscreen. The formulation of your sunscreen needs to be water resistant, lightweight and suitable for your skin type. My current favorite is this VLCC water resistant sunscreen gel cream. This is a water resistant SPF 60 PA+++ sunscreen gel cream. It is a powerful hydrophobic formulation that provides long-lasting water-resistant sun protection against harmful UVA and UVB rays, thus preventing premature skin aging and tanning. This formulation is enriched with Ceramide III, Niacinamide Olive Oil and carrot extract. Its water-resistant formula makes it ideal for use for long-duration sun exposure like while playing sports, swimming or any other outdoor activities. So I feel this is an ideal product for school and college-going students, as you don't need to reapply it over and over again. And the best part about this cream is, it is a paraben-free formulation suitable for all skin types. So all I can say is, it's not just a sunscreen, it will moisturize and protect your skin in all possible ways. So to know more about this product or to purchase it, please check the description box. Tip number 2. Keep yourself and your skin hydrated. A well-hydrated skin looks radiant and healthy. Healthy skin is equal to less melanin and fair skin complexion. So this summer, make sure you consume lots of water, juices and water-containing fruits. And along with that, you can try several DIYs and face masks which contain hydrating and moisturizing elements. Upton is one of my favorites. For that, you just need to check few of my recipes. I'm going to link few of them in the description box. Tip number 3 is all about anti-tan treatments. Take some tomato slice and rub that slowly all over your face and neck. Tomato juice works as an excellent astringent, shrinks the pores, fights acne, removes blackheads and whiteheads, removes tan, freshens the skin by removing excess oiliness, and makes the skin appear much more fairer and lighter in complexion. So these were all the 3 tips which will help you maintain a fairer skin complexion, especially for this summer. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So that's it for today's video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.